Nakalimutan ko i-vlog yung process, but nandito kami ngayon sa Baguio City. Pero I feel like film ko naman yung process on my Instagram. So, yeah. I'll just replay all of the process of going here sa Baguio. Nandito kami ngayon sa The Manor, Camp John Hay. And super walang tao dito. And I feel like I will insert a clip here na wala talagang tao, as in. And tinanong ko rin si Kuya kung ilan yung mga tao na pumunta dito. And super konti lang daw as of now because maraming restrictions now in Baguio. But it's manageable naman. So, I'll just give you a little tour of what the inside looks like. So, ayan yung door. And pagka-open mo, makikita mo agad yung kitchen. There we go. And then the table. May nice lightings and paintings. And then there's me. Hey, who is she? Who is she? It's just me. And then super nice itong outside because meron siyang outside view, which I think will look really good in the morning. So ayan, may mga puno-puno dyan. Not sure if you guys can see, pero ayan, may mga lightings, may more puno, and maganda mag-coffee dito in the morning, diba? Oh no! And then dito may another mirror. Guys, may tao sa labas. May tao sa labas actually. Let's open it. Hello po. Thank you. Resume. Ayan, mirror. And then another bathroom. May bathroom din outside. Really nice. Then yeah. Very nice. Very good. Actually, I'd like to insert lang as well na parang super hirap makahanap ng food dito, especially at this hour because mayroon silang curfew ban ng 12 to 7 a.m. Yes, 7 a.m. And I think na medyo late siya for a curfew. But anyways, mayroon silang gano'n.
It's too early for a curfew.
Yes, what she said. That girl. Anyway, so ayun, medyo nahihirapan kami humanap ng food right now. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning kasi pupunta kami sa Ukay-Ukay and many stuffs. Bye-bye.
And welcome to the voiceover. This is the next morning. Sorry, I look crusty. I just woke up and we had to eat breakfast. Of course, ito ang bubungan sa akin in the morning. But anyway, fast forward, pumunta na kami sa canteen and then nagulat ako because my sister literally wore this. I don't know. It's a regular thing for her. Anyway, ayun, this is the full tour of the canteen. It's very basic, very nice also. Also, it's very still cold in the morning.
So yung agenda namin today is lilibot kami around Baguio. Mag-uukay-ukay kami because that's not solely, pero one of the things that we came here for. It's the main jam of the sandwich. Actually, tomorrow pa kami mamimili ng mga pasalubong, mga ube-ube. Pero as of now, yun muna. And maglilibot kami to take pictures. So, I'll just take you guys with me. I'll order breakfast.
It's not for me to say you love.
This is my fit. With my silky shirt and my very cool pants. Yeah. Oh. Hi guys, so we just went out and then pupunta na kami sa car.
And then, pupunta kami sa Bayanihan. Sa Bayanihan ba? Correct?
Yanihan Bani.
Yanihan Bani! Dahil doon daw ang maraming bilihan ng mga bags. Cause...
Ito, pakita mo ba yung ganda oh?
Uy, be! Wow, so this is the... Manornica ni, Manonica, ang manika ni...
Mornico.
Mornico.
Wild animals pala dito, Ping.
Roar! So, hindi ko masyadong na-vlog yung outfit ko and hindi ako masyadong nakatik ng good photos because nagmamadali kami.
Mamaya na lang.
Pero ito ang
Huwag ka
aming
mag-alala,
suot.
mamaya.
Wow, Gucci! This is what I'm wearing. Alam mo, actually, hindi naman ganun kalamig. I just wanna dress up. And then, nagdala din kami ng isang supot or eco bag because dito namin nilalagay lahat ng pamimilhin namin, ng ipapamili namin because we don't want to use more plastics. Dapat tapon na lahat ng mga plastic sa mundo. Am I right? Ay, kaso nandun siya eh. Okay, so ito lang yung angle na maganda. Gusto ko lang i-flex to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is Ate Hannah's, my sister's, and gusto ko lang ipa-unboxing or, you know, ewan ko, feature.
unboxing.
Ito, nabili niya sa Japan, yung mga pre-loved bags sa Japan because there are a lot of, syempre, mayaman ng Japan, you know, and then they have a lot of auction things. That includes bags, shoes, a lot of designer items as well. She bought this for 70,000
Yen.
Oh, ano ba to?
Yen.
Hindi, kasi yung daan. Hindi ko alam kung how much is that in peso, but super nice ng gold detailing against the black leather. And then yung sa likod niya, there is a heart. When you open it up, ayan lang siya, like a regular flap bag. And titignan natin what's inside my sister's bag. Ayan.
You should also describe the leather.
Feels very soft, like meron siyang cushion inside. So it's not
Buttery.
like, yeah, buttery. It's not like yung YSL bags that's like hard, you know. Ito parang madali lang siguro siya kapag natabunan siya ng mga mabibigat na items. Which obviously, you shouldn't do. Pero if ever na mangyari yun, feeling ko mapipisa to. So you should always take extra care of your Gucci marmot. Oh, magbenta ka na. By the way, my sister's planning on making a live selling page and selling her some of her stuff because ang dami niyang bags, as in. You know, if ever that happens, I will link the link in the description box below. Anyway, so dahil pupunta nga kami sa Bayanihan, nagdala din kami ng alcohol and some baby wipes. And you know, it's still the pandemic and nag-spread pa din na ang coronavirus. Nandito na kami sa Bayanihan ata. Sabi na ate ko nandito na. And mahirap lang humanap ng parking around here. Bayanihan Center.
So ko lang sabihin sa inyo guys, na dito sa store na to, dito ko nakita yung Delvo bag ko. Original price is 250,000. I was only able to buy it for less than 1,000 pesos.
May mga LV ka nang nakikita.
Dito sa store ko na to mismo yan. Dito ko nakita yun. And kita nyo yung Alfiero. Yan, nagmamine-mine pa kayo sa sa Facebook. Sabi ito yung dito, sinuntalan din mo paano.
Oh, ha? Oh, pumunta na kayo ng Baguio. Guys. Ito naman nakita ko. Bakit hindi excited? Ito masyado. Oh, hindi tayo excited. Oh my gosh. Ang bakit naman ito? Alexander Mcqueen mga pare. Alexander Mcqueen. Fresh na fresh. Walang galos. Walang dumi.
Pakimine
Fresh
na
na
lang
fresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pakimine na lang. Wait lang, di pa nga minamine eh. Pakimine na lang po.
Ayan,
Queen. Mine Queen for only 5,000 pesos. Pakimine na lang. Ayan, ang ganda oh.
Nagpa-practice na siya for her live selling. Stop it! Marami pa dito actually. Iba-vlog ko yung place kasi madaming magaganda. May tag pa siya. Usong mga leather jacket nowadays. And I just maganda siyang asset in my closet kasi I don't have a leather jacket na oversized na pwede mong i-tear na lang sa mga mini skirts. So cute! Dito ko nabili C&E Dry Goods. Nakabili ako ng almost good as new, brand new Alexander Mcqueen. And ngayon, pupunta kami sa other stores. Marami pang stores dito. So dito may makikita kayong mga Balenciaga. And it costs like 5K. Meron din Yeezys. Ayan o, may Yeezys. Ano yun? Ayan, YSL siya.
Self-authenticate. Remember, if you're going to an Ukay-Ukay, you can spot a lot of originals and also fakes. So you have to be careful. Before you go to Ukay-Ukay, do your research first. Like me. Ito, this is not original, pero super close to original. Like yung hardware niya, hawakan mo. Diba? And then,
Hindi
tingnan
siya
mo,
mabigat.
caviar siya. The only thing is yung caviar niya is this is not the type of caviar ng original. Pero if titignan mo yung pagkaka-design niya, pag malayuan, pwede na rin. Ito din, like, ayan. Yung chain nga lang, parang mukha siyang original kasi mabigat. Ito, like ito. Yan, ano to, ganito kasi dapat itsura ng mga mukhang original. Ito din, titignan mo yung hollow sticker. Hindi naman ganito yung hollow sticker ng original.
Ayan, is that original?
No, walang original dito.
Ito caviar.
Oo, caviar siya. Pero kasi hindi ganito kasi yung lalaman mo, mararamdaman mo yung original sa hindi. Pero tingnan mo, be. Kabog. Sticker.
So, nandito kami sa another store ngayon. Look at this. Hermes pa, oh. Pack. I've been eyeing this kasi I really like backpacks, you know. Malaking backpack shots. Ang bigat din niya. Alam mo, like, good quality, oh. See? It's padded even in the straps. I've been eyeing this. This is Rivoli Louis Vuitton. Super nice kasi size ko din siya. Malaki yung pa ako, yes. Super madami talagang branded items dito. Like you see here, may isa na namang Balenciaga for 5,500 ata siya. If may makita akong Christian Dior high tops, yun talaga, I've been eyeing that. Joke lang, wala akong pera. Actually, naghahanap din ako ng nice leather jacket because I know na in siya right now and it's super like Y2K vibes. May nahanap nga ako kanina. I'm just seeing if pwede pa siyang matawaran kasi it's like 900 pesos. And iniisip ko if pupunta akong Anonas and may makikita akong ganun, baka, you know, sayang naman. And it's just the brand Esprit lang. Madami dito, mga Longchamp, mga Chloe, as in ang dami, may mga Chanel, YSL. Ako gusto ko din yung Chloe kasi I think na ang cute ng pagka-circle niya.
I mean, like, mas attracted ako sa Chanel.
Bumenta si Kuya.
Hello.
Hello. So, itong dinaanan namin ngayon ay isang maliit na eskinita from the store na we went to kanina, which is the C&N. Na doon kami galing and then pumunta lang kami dito sa eskinita na to. And then actually, isang full street siya na puno ng ukay. So, wag kang bibili lang sa first na makikita mo because for sure, marami pang mas mura dyan.
I bet you all know what this is. This is Hermes because it's very cute. Genuine leather. It's only 2,000 pesos.
Original na replica.
Replica lang.
Kakapunta lang namin sa car. Yeah, it's 6:14 precisely and nagsaraduhan na yung mga stores and we were forced to go out na and super gutom na ako. Also, don't forget, use alcohol every after you go to the thrift store. Yung C&E Dry Goods, kung saan kami first pumunta, yun talaga yung pinaka-solid but or mataas yung prices nila because they know sorry, nakamask pa pala ako. Alam nila na maraming bibili sa kanila because magaganda yung tatak ng mga clothes nila.
I just like to dispute that. I went to the upper top floor of Bayanihan and then I saw like talagang 45% off yung mga bags nila. So later we will do a haul of the bags that I was able to buy. Mga original, 50% off.
Kinalitis talaga
Every
niya.
bag there, talagang tinignan ko kaya ako yung nagsara nung ano eh.
Oo, tapos nagalit pa sa kanya yung tindera kasi hagil siya ng hagil. Anyway, nakabili din ako ng maliit na Gucci baguette bag.
Nahiraman tayo.
We will do a Ukay-Ukay haul when we go to the place. But for now, kain muna tayo, please. Ayun, gusto ko lang din sabihin na sa mga ukay-ukay no, nakatabi ng C&E, mga either from Hong Kong, yung bales nila either from Hong Kong, Korea, or Japan. That's why medyo mahirap tignan kung alin dun yung mga original sa fake. Pag pupunta ka dun sa C&E, mostly sa kanila, or if not all, talagang US bale. Yung mga price range nga lang niya is from 300 something to 900, even sometimes mga thousands pa. Pero sure naman na maganda and may tatak talaga siya.
Hey guys, so I was just editing this and then it's currently like 1:30 a.m. Like, oh God's time, it's me. Yeah. I was just editing this video and I noticed that I didn't give a proper outro for this one because I was planning to originally post this together with the haul, but if I post this together with the haul right now, it's gonna be super long. My laptop doesn't have that kind of storage. So, I'm just going to upload it in my next video, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be the haul to all of the things that we bought for that day. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts at Instagram at kgelle. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.